shake everybody's hand, okay?
Today, the Gamecocks are back at Williams-Brice Stadium. It's Carolina versus the Citadel. Seconds left in the play clock. Handoff, left side, Wilds into the end zone. Touchdown, Carolina. Touchdown, Brandon Wilds. Orth working on the Citadel side of the football field. He wants to roll right. Now he stops, throws back. He's got Farrell Cooper at the 8. Strolls in from the 5. Touchdown, Carolina. Touchdown, Farrell Cooper.
Now, when you hear your song, stand and salute your branch of the military as we offer our deepest gratitude to all of our veterans as well as those presently serving.